Para sa taong mahal na mahal ko, sana mapakinggan mo to kahit sandali lang. Alam mo, hindi ako perpekto magmahal, pero sigurado ako sa isang bagay. Hindi kita minahal ng kalahati, hindi half-baked, hindi kulang. Buong puso. Walang reserba, walang tinera para sa sarili. I chose you. Kahit wala akong assurance. Kahit minsan tahimik lang akong lumalaban. Mahal na mahal kita ng buong puso. Kaya sana kung dumating man yung araw na hindi ako ang pipiliin mo. Wala na akong magagawa. Masakit, oo, pero handa akong magparaya para sa kaligayahan mo. Pasensya ka na, kasi ganito ako magmahal. Hindi ko pinipilit ang taong hindi ako kayang piliin. And if one day, you finally understand what it feels like to be truly loved. Not halfway, not convenient, not half-baked. I hope you remember there was someone who loved you quietly, patiently, completely. Someone who chose you, even when it was hard, even when it hurt, even when they were already losing you. Ako yon. And maybe by then, it'll be too late. Because the same person who gave you that kind of love learned how to let you go.
We chose the pain so no one else would. We chose the